I'm going to show you how to capture a patient's signature at the end of a visit. This occurs on the patient signature screen. Each agency is set up differently. You may need to ask your supervisor if you collect the patient's electronic signature. This screen can show up under the required or the optional section. I'm going to click on the patient signature. To begin, click on the Select Signature text button. You will see a list of pre-typed text that will show up with the patient's signature. You can select more than one if needed. So you'll go through the list and click on the text that you need to include. If you click on one by mistake, you can click on it again to deselect it. Click on the Save Signature text. You'll notice that the text that you selected will show up at the top of the screen. You also have an option to freehand type in text if needed. If you made a mistake, you can click on the Erase Signature Text button to remove all of the signature text, which will allow you to start over. Once the signature text is ready, you can have the patient or caregiver sign inside of a large white signature box. This can be done by having the patient or caregiver use the touchscreen of the laptop to sign, or they could use a mouse pen or the mouse pad on your keyboard. If for some reason the signature needs recaptured, you can click on the Clear the Signature area so that they can start over. Once the signature and text is complete, you can click on the Save the Signature button, and that will apply the signature to the electronic document. Once the signature is saved, you can X out of the screen.